Hi there, thanks so much for tuning in today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions that we get asked from our customers, which is what is a counterbalance weight and why do I need one? So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to put it on the rotisserie skewer. Now the counterbalance weight always goes at the opposite end of the motor or the pointed end of the skewer. So using this round part here, simply insert that through your rotisserie skewer. Once your counterbalance weight is on the skewer, tighten it to lock it into place. Locking it in place is as simple as turning the lever. Once the counterbalance weight is attached to the skewer, the next thing that you need to do is adjust the weight along the lever. The closer the weight is to the skewer, the less weight it is going to add. If your meat is significantly out of balance, simply move the weight further along the lever away from the skewer and lock it into place. So I guess you're wondering, how do I know where to position the weight along that lever? Now the easiest way to know is once you've got your animal on the skewer, yourself and a mate at the opposite end, just hold the skewer in the palms of your hand and let the meat naturally flop to the heavy side. Then what you'll do is, so that it doesn't keep on falling to a heavy side, you'll adjust the weight along the lever of the counterbalance weight to naturally balance out that imbalance in the animal. Now the reason why it is important to make sure that you have your animal as balanced as possible on the spit is to firstly reduce friction on your motor, but also to ensure an even rotation so your animal cooks evenly. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a huge thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.